What's up, all my investors? I'm back with another ShiNanCe video, and today we're talking about Zynga ahead of their third quarter earnings report. I'm sharing some details that you might not want to miss, so make sure you pay attention all the way to the end of the video. I'm briefly going to state that we're trying to get the channel to 1K subs, and I need your support. Yes, you. I appreciate you for watching. Always do. Just please don't forget to subscribe. Like the video, share it, comment down below your thoughts, suggestions. We accept it all, okay? Now, Zynga is looking very bullish as their third quarter earnings report is approaching. I've been speaking about Zynga for a very long time, late 2019, early 2020, before the crash. For those of y'all who've really been tapping in with me since the beginning of my ShiNanCe finance videos. So I'm a big fan of Zynga, and I'm not gonna lie, I did sell out all my Zynga that I bought in 2020. I sold it about a month or two ago. I just held on. I never took my profits when it reached a tight. When it reached the $12 limit, I really felt like it was gonna get to the 15, and that's where I wanted to take my profit, but it just didn't get there. So I had to reallocate that money to work somewhere else where I felt like it was going to make better profits, and it did. I moved it into Bitcoin. So shout out to all the crypto fans out there. That was a great decision I made. But that doesn't mean that I was giving up on Zynga. It was just an audible. I had to make an audible. I made a bad decision by not taking profits, this year, early on this year, later in the middle of the year. So, but I was willing to pull the audible and actually run the play, not just have the play on hand, but run the play, which that's what makes a big difference when it comes to your trading strategy. You gotta be able to make those action calls and like make the calls, not just think about it and I'll do it tomorrow. No, make the call and then watch it play out and then understand why you made the call. And if it goes wrong, figure out why it went wrong, and if you could have avoided it by making a different call. Okay, you can learn by just creating action, y'all, right? But yes, that doesn't mean I gave up on Zynga, right? Where Zynga really went wrong was their quarter two earnings report. They had reported they decreased their bookings forecast for the rest of the 2021 year. And after that, the stock started to plunge. It wasn't a good look for the stock at all. And then on October 3rd, Zynga closed an acquisition of Starlark, a developer of fast-growing and second largest mobile golf game in the world. Over the past 6 months, Zynga's down 31%. But if you compare them to, people in the industry that are also talked about, an Activation Blizzard is down 25% in the past 6 months. So it just gives you a perspective as far as like the rest of the industry is also on its way down with Zynga. So and I feel like Zynga has made some very great acquisitions that I don't even feel like they completely get the credit for. But I can guarantee that the stock will, I know it's going to 15. I know it's like, the title should just be Zynga stock going to 15. And maybe that's what the title should be, because I still feel that way just based off their acquisitions and what they produce and how the world is going, especially with this whole metaverse thing. This is a long-term play. It's always been a long-term play. I've said that from the beginning. You can go back to my early 2020 videos. This is a long-term play, and I like it here. Zynga is a world leader in interactive gaming. So I do like this stock. Watch their earnings. I'm not telling you to buy. I'm not telling you to sell. This isn't financial advice. This is just, me reminding y'all that I'm a fan of Zynga, and I've been speaking about Zynga. I've held it. I've sold it. I'm going to buy more this week for sure. I need to hold myself to that because, like I said, there are prices that I like, and I want to take advantage, especially if they have a good earnings report after the close of market. So make sure you're paying attention. Put your alerts on, y'all. Let me know what y'all think about Zynga. Did y'all think it's a buy, it's a sell? Do y'all hate it? Do y'all love it? Did you make money off it? Did you lose? Raise your hand if you made money on Zynga. I did make some money on Zynga in the past, but just recently I missed out. I missed out on all the profits. Just sometimes you just can't get too emotional with these stocks, man. You get too attached. There's waves, and you can ride the waves. You just gotta learn how to do it. I'm gonna finish off by saying, if you're interested in joining the Discord chat, Future Millionaires, shout out to all the future millionaires right now watching this. We're just a group of investors looking to build generational wealth by sharing resources and having daily financial conversations. Yes, so if that sounds like something you're interested in, it's free. It's a Discord chat, bunch of like-minded individuals. We're grinding every day, trying to make trades, trying to make money, trying to build that generational wealth. Shoot me a DM on my Instagram or Twitter so I can get you the link to join. I appreciate y'all for watching. Shout out to all my people holding Zynga.